Hey guys, Shifter here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and today we're going to be going over the laziest ways to go ahead and make money in 2023. And honestly, a lot of people are super lazy. I don't understand it because there are so many ways to go ahead and make money, but these are going to be the easiest and quickest ways that you guys can go ahead and make money online. For the first method on our list, it's going to be affiliate marketing slash referrals. A lot of people don't understand that a lot of the companies that you use every single day have a referral program to go ahead and get more people into their website, app, or even business. These actually can be super lucrative, and one of the ones that I do recommend for you guys to get started with is going to be Cash App. You can download it in the Google Play or App Store, and it's basically a finance app where you can send, spend, save, and even invest stocks, and it's actually a super nice app. If you guys have an account already, you want to make a brand new account because this method only works with brand new accounts. And when you guys are signing up, it's going to ask for a referral code. You want to type in the code NKLRGHL. That code is going to be giving you guys a free $5 when you guys send $5 to someone else. It's honestly really that easy, and anybody can make money off of this. If you guys forgot to type in the referral code, go up to the top right and you guys can go all the way down to the bottom. It's going to say enter referral code. For me, it doesn't say it because I had this account for ages and I probably already put in a referral code, but overall this could be very lucrative because you guys can start making money just like that. I just gave you guys a free $5, but what if I told you that you can invite people to the app and make hundreds of dollars per day? Yesterday I made $120 inviting people to Cash App, and it's absolutely insane. It's completely passive income, and I'm going to go ahead and break it down. Under your account section, there's going to be a section called invite friends and earn X amount of money. I do have a $20 referral, which is actually really good, so let's go ahead and click on that. And all these people in your contacts will actually be able to be invited, but what you can do from here instead is you could actually send this link to friends on Discord, Instagram, you guys name it, could be anywhere, and as soon as they sign up with your link, you'll be earning passive income. And this is all through the power of referrals and affiliate marketing. And honestly, it's actually not that easy if you guys are not social media influencers, but this can be a very lazy way to go ahead and make money if you guys know some people that haven't signed up for Cash App already. Speaking on affiliate marketing, it is another easy way to go ahead and make money. We're just talking about referring people to apps, but it gets a little bit deeper. You guys can actually refer people to products. Right now, here's the dhgate dashboard where I have made over $2,600 this month, basically referring people to different products on dhgate, and my channel only has 1,000 subscribers in this niche, which is absolutely insane. So you can see like one day I made over $400, which is absolutely insane, and it's a lot of passive income. All I did was I told people to go ahead and buy within a video, and it's basically set up for life. So I'll keep getting referrals and commissions forever and ever and ever, and now it's pretty much up to $100 per day, so I'm pretty happy about that. And honestly, anybody can go ahead and set this up for themselves. It's actually really easy. All you got to go ahead and do is take your affiliate link to any product that you're looking for, and this could also work for Amazon as well, but keep in mind that some affiliate programs work better than others, and some of them are way easier to go ahead and promote. Overall, I'm pretty happy with dhgate's affiliate program because it has made me a decent amount of money, and it literally just works. Another good example of affiliate marketing is going to be Temu. If you guys didn't hear about Temu, then you're probably living under a rock. I made a lot of big videos about the app and what they're doing, and you can make a decent amount of money from it simply by signing up for the app. And as you can see, I have made well over $6,000 over the past couple of months, and it's definitely a super lucrative thing, especially if you want to go ahead and get into affiliate marketing. It's literally $5 per person that you get to sign up, and they're a new user, no strings attached. You don't have to even send $5 or anything or spend money, so that's why this is actually really easy to go ahead and get into. Anybody could start this, and you guys can see the power of affiliate marketing. It's so lazy. I haven't made a Temu video in forever, and I just made $25 today basically doing nothing. For this second method on our list, we do have YouTube, and a lot of people don't understand this, but you can actually make a decent amount of money off of YouTube simply by making videos, but you have to make the right videos. This is very important. If you're actually making videos, let's say in the gaming niche, you're not going to have as many opportunities to go ahead and monetize compared to a niche where a lot of people are buying items and different things like that. So overall, I highly recommend focusing on a finance or business niche because you can easily make a lot of money. Taking a look at my YouTube dashboard, you can see that it's actually pretty consistent revenue at around $60 to $70 per day in Google ad revenue. This is pretty much what Google pays you for advertising on your videos, and it can be very lucrative, especially if you're in the right niche. But if you're in the gaming niche, you'll probably only be seeing around $400 for the same amount of views, and for my niche, it's around $2,000, so pretty much a 5x return. If you guys had a gaming channel in the same niche, you wouldn't be making as much as me, because you'll probably only make around $400 because advertisers aren't paying as much for those views. But for this type of content, it's probably around 5x what a gaming channel would make, and it's honestly for a good reason, because advertisers need to go ahead and pay a lot of money for finance because there's not a lot of views on YouTube when it comes down to finance. So overall, I'm pretty happy with how this channel has turned out, and it could be a very well passive money making machine, and it can be super lazy, especially if you go ahead and pump out the same videos every single month and get the ideas going. For our next method, it's going to be paid surveys. And a lot of people actually sleep on these. They say that you can't really make a lot of money, but honestly, I'm living proof. I'm making around $100 plus from paid surveys, and it's actually super lazy. You could literally do this from home, in your bed, sleeping. It really doesn't matter. It could be literally passive. The first app I do want to recommend is going to be Adapole. You guys can find this in the Google Play and App Store. Simply go ahead and click on open, and you want to go ahead and type in the referral code when you guys are signing up. It's going to be dbfcm. That's going to give you guys a free 50 cents, and I highly recommend signing up for this app because as you can see, I've made over $80 in the past week or two, so it's definitely pretty lucrative, and it's about $5 per day, so definitely a really good app. And all you got to go ahead and do is complete the surveys, and you want to go ahead and complete them truthfully. They're very easy to go ahead and do, and I highly recommend it. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and sign up for Adapole because it's one of the highest paying survey apps. Just in case you guys forgot to go ahead and put in the code, you can go all the way over to the right here, and it's going to go to say enter referral code. It will actually allow you to go ahead and type in the code dbfcm for a free 50 cents, and who doesn't like free money? And once you guys are actually done with everything here, you guys can actually cash out, and it's actually a $3 minimum, which is actually super low considering that you have to go ahead and do all these cash outs, and it does take a little bit of time. So you can go ahead and cash out via PayPal, Revolut, gift cards, and also you can go ahead and donate the money if you guys feel inclined. But obviously, we're here for lazy ways to go ahead and make money, and donations are not going to help us get there. Another app that I highly recommend is going to be Eureka. Eureka is actually a really good paid survey app with a very nice user interface. Once you guys sign up for the app, you want to head over to the referral tab, and you want to type in the code GUDW4I. That code is going to be giving you guys a free $1 survey, which honestly, who doesn't like free money? And the survey is actually very easy to go ahead and complete. And I want to be 100% transparent. On Adapole, I do get 50 cents for you guys signing up, and on this app, I do get 25 cents for you guys signing up. It does help out the channel, and it actually is a good way to go ahead and make money. As you can see, I have $70 on this app and $80 on Adapole, and that's $150 per month. And honestly, now I can go to Starbucks and afford all the iced coffee lattes that I want. Coming in for the fourth method to make some easy and quick money, it's going to be selling items inside of your house. You guys probably had old consoles laying around or any type of old video game. You could easily make some money off of it and get some capital to invest into a new type of business. Personally, I like selling on Poshmark for clothing and on eBay for electronics. It's actually really good, and over my time selling on eBay, I have made over $10,000 doing so, and I highly recommend checking out eBay if you guys haven't already, because you can easily go ahead and make a lot of money off of the items inside of your house. For our last method to go ahead and make money online lazily is actually setting up a link shortener. If you guys ever actually tried downloading something from a website site, typically it will go through a link shortener. Let's say you're looking for a Minecraft mod for the creator or whoever owns the site to go ahead and make money. They typically run it through here, and this is what I've been doing for a little bit, and it's been making me a decent amount of money. All you gotta go ahead and do is get people to download things from you, and it's really that easy. Anybody can do it, and it's so simple to go ahead and get started. If you guys have 1,000 downloads per day, you could literally be making $30 every single day passively, and it's really that easy. But anyways, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we're able to go ahead and make some lazy money online. I can't believe people are actually searching for this, but I'm here to go ahead and provide the video. But I'll see you guys next time for the next video on Shift 3 Reviews. Bye.